Hey, I'm Robert Nadelin from Robert's Affiliate Journey. Are you effectively wanting to get traffic to your landing page without having to spend a lot of money? You know, they'll charge you what, 60, 70 cents for each lead that you get? Well, this is a lot better than that. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. You're not going to want to miss this. Hold on and get right to it. It gets cold traffic to my autoresponder. So what we're going to do, log in, and I want to show you what this thing does. Right here, these are all the emails that I sent to my list. I've got you can send 9,000 of them each time. Of course, I built my way up there. If you remember this, you get 100 leads per day, and they're cumulative. Out of 9,000 people yesterday, I had 1,186 people open up. I had 92 clicks. The open rate was 13%, and the click rate was 8%. So I should be checking my autoresponder to see if I picked any of these people up. I mean, and you send different emails every day, of course. Look at this one here. 1,588 people saw my email yesterday, or that day. 262 people clicked on it to see what it was about. You know, they opened it up. The open rate was 13%, and the click-through rate was 19%. That's pretty good. That's a responsive audience, just for being cold traffic. So, here you can look at the statistics, and you can see how it's been working for me day by day. They give that out to you. And here's the, you know, every day that I've been sending out 9,000, because you're only allowed to send out 9,000. My list is somewhere around 18,000 or something like that. Start out slow, and you just keep building and building and building, and that's how it works. Let's see here. See here, I've got 16,800 people, and I can shift this between who I want to send it to too. But they only let you send out 9,000 at a time. That's the max. You can mail by partner, whoever, you know, where the leads come from, or you can just simply mail by date. That's what I do. So you just click that 9,000. That's how many people you've got. So you move them from over here to over here. This is who you're going to send to. I've got a thing I want to send to these people today, so might as well just do it now. This one here is time keeps on slipping into the future. Okay, then here's your codes for first name, last name. I usually just go with the first name of the prospect. And then you go on down here. All this stuff, you just erase it out of there. You come back down here to your email, and you copy it. See, there's another one down there below. And you paste it. Of course, it doesn't like my browser, so I'm going to paste it in this little box here. And there it is. Now, what we've got to do, here's a good place to insert my URL. Let me pull that up too. We'll go back up here at the top. That's the URL I want to send them to. Come on. Okay, then you go up here to this little link thing, see it? Then you HTTPS, paste, and I don't want them to leave the email, but so I'm going to let them go into a new window. Okay, and I put my link there, see it? And register for your free presentation now. That would be a good place to put it. HTTPS, paste, target. All right, now here they have a perfect timing thing, so you can send that at a special time that they believe that the person's going to be at their computer. I always check that box. And I always like to preview. That way I can test my links. there's a link that I put in. And we want to see if it takes us to the website. It sure does. Some of you might recognize this. But this is how I do it. So, and then I want to go back down and I want to check this link, make sure it works. Because you don't want to spend your time doing stuff and then it doesn't work, and then it just frustrates everybody that you're trying to get to sign up to your squeeze page. Alright, so now all we got to do is we push send. Your message has been queued, but even yesterday, look at this, 1,187 people opened my email out of the 9,000. That's pretty good. So this is very effective, and especially if you're on a budget like what we're talking about, this is how you can get some pretty good traffic.